Bhavan Patel, a Gujarati man living in Seneca Falls, New York, found himself in serious trouble after a late night traffic stop. What started as a small issue, driving a car with no light on the license plate, quickly turned into a much bigger problem once the police officers took a closer look inside his vehicle. To their shock, the officer saw a 2-year-old child sitting in the front seat of the car. Not only was the child sitting in the front, but there was no car seat or proper safety system to protect the child, something that is strictly required under US laws. In America, driving with a child without a proper baby seat is considered extremely dangerous. Even walking with a baby in public without a stroller or baby carrier can get parents into legal trouble if somebody reports it. As the officer continued their investigation, they suspected that Bhavan Patel had been drinking. After conducting further checks, they arrested him for driving under the influence, that is, DUI while carrying a child, a crime that is taken very seriously in the United States. He was charged with endangering the welfare of a child and drinking drunk with a child. And that's a felony, by the way. In New York, the specific offense falls under what's known as Lindra's Law, named after an 11-year-old girl who died in drunk driving crash. Under the specific law, driving drunk with a child in the car carries harsh penalties. If convicted, then Bhavan could face up to 4 years in prison, a $1,000 fine, and his driver's license could be suspended for 1 year. Even after getting his license back, he would have to install a special device in his car for 6 months. This device is called ignition interlock. Checks whether the driver has alcohol in their breath before the car was even started. Well, the final punishment Bhavan may face will depend on the results of his blood alcohol test and whether he has committed similar offenses in the past or not. He was released on bail for now, but he must appear in the court. These type of cases are not rare, by the way, in America. Drunk driving leads to thousands of deaths every single year. Just recently, a Gujarati family in Massachusetts suffered a tragic accident where a drunk driver hit their vehicle. Another layer of concern in Bhavan's case is his immigration status. Although the authorities haven't said whether he is a documented migrant or not, people without legal immigration status who are caught drunk driving can face deportation. In fact, it has become common for ICE to arrest such individuals directly from the court when they show up for the hearing. Just 2 months ago, a similar case happened in Tennessee where a Gujarati man was caught in the similar situation. He was drunk driving and he was immediately taken into custody and he was sent into the deportation process. That's because DUI charges can have direct impact on person's immigration case. One mistake behind the wheel can actually cost somebody not just fine or jail time, but their entire life in the US. So this case is a strong reminder to every immigrant, specifically parents, that US law around child safety and alcohol are extremely strict. If you are in America with your children, even a small mistake like forgetting a car seat or driving after a drink can bring serious consequences.